Hey everybody, and welcome back to this series about visualizing data. In the last video we applied some further basic improvements to this visualization, but right now we should try to make a chart, because this is the kind of the best way in my option to visualize this data. And we had this this quick analysis tool button here, and we can select charts, and if we get to more charts, we have a lot of different options here, and we can select all charts, and depending on what you need, it depends on the data set and what you want to show here. But I just think that this pie chart is going to be a good candidate for our data, and this is the preview of the chart here that generated by Excel. So let's select this and click OK. And then we get the chart here. And if you want to move it around, it's a good idea to click outside in the cells and then click somewhere in the white area, because you can actually move everything in this chart to adapt it to your needs. So if we put it up here, we can see that now we have a really good visualization of this comma separated data. That was our initial data set here, presented in a chart here. And we can see we have further options if we want to let's see if we can go for the design here. If you click the chart and then the design, we have various options made by Excel to style it, and we can see we have a black version here, the background changes, and various colors if you have a legend in the middle or in the right side. And if we go for this one here, we get the percentages of each country, and we can change everything here. We can change the title. If we want to make it countries by population, and we are able to, we can also edit the chart itself. We can, let's see if I can make this work here. Yeah, if you want to separate each of the shares here, you can also do this by clicking on one of the countries. And let's imagine we wanted to have our legend in the right side. We can also easily do this, and we can move the chart around. So there are a lot of different ways that you can customize your charts to fit your needs. So what happens if you want to, we have a nice chart here, and what happens if we want to get it out from Excel and use it in another program? We have the option of exporting to a PDF file, for instance. Let's say we take this top 10 countries, and then it's going to generate a PDF file for us. And we can use this in other programs if we want to use it for presentation, PowerPoint or InDesign. We can use this file there. Okay, so this kind of concludes our this introductory series about how we can visualize raw comma separated data into a more pleasant view like this chart, for instance. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.